Welcome to Visit Extended channel. I'm continuing to introduce ANQ Congress under a quality academic series. Now, I would like to introduce the 7th Asia Level for Quality Congress in 2019. Before I introduce, I always briefing. There are 70 country or economic area quality association or society join together, become an alliance to promote quality in Asia. So every year we have the key activity named the ANQ Congress. It is organized by our member rotationally every year in different country or economic area. This time is in Thailand. Thailand is the third time to prepare the ANQ Congress. So, organizer is the Standard and Quality Association of Thailand, SQAT. Organized this Congress in Bangkok, Thailand from 21 to 25 October 2019. The theme is Quality Innovation for Sustainability. At that time, Hong Kong representative is a lot of people join together and take a photo in front of the banner with Professor Kano. And Thailand advisor in the SQAI, Professor Bong Bong. This fact is made by her to represent all Asia countries together. Now, I would like to introduce my presentation, the topic QMS-based innovation management using extension innovation methodology. It is my presentation. First, I will introduce the quality innovation and organization innovation, and then introduce a little bit ISO 9000 2015 version QMS, and then some innovation-related standards such as BS 17001, PDCN, CNTS 16555-1 Innovation Management System in European, and the trend of ISO standard on the innovation management, ISO file draft 15602. At that time, is a file draft, but 1 year later, it became the ISO standard. And then I will introduce the new indicator approach between QMS and InnoMS together become a quality innovation management system, and QMS-based innovation management system. And at last, I will embroid the extension innovation method under diamond thinking and conclusion. And introduce what is the definition of innovation. ISO 9000 and ISO 15600 is the same definition. It's called new and change object realized and redistribute value. However, in BS 17000 they have a different definition under design management system, guide to management innovation. For example, transformation of an idea into a novel product process or new surface in industry and commercial is very similar to 16555, and also it's not have a proof history of performance and are not covered organization current practice and successful application of new idea. However, 16555-1, the definition is good implementation of a new and significant improved product, good or surface or process, new market method or new organization method in business practice, workplace, organization or external relations. So that is all our definition in the standard about innovation. What is the difference between invention and innovation? I like this diagram is because it is very clear. From case to idea is invention. Reverse idea become a case in innovation. So innovation is turning the new concept or idea into commercial success or widespread use. It is a difference. My study QMS-based innovation management model. Based on this one, we have the ISO 9000 certified company, many involved, and we can use extension innovation method to extend their capability to achieve ISO 15602 and reduce much duplication because two standard structure is very close together. We can use some framework and extend to the innovation from ISO 9000 certified company. Organization innovation is related to 5 key categories: system innovation, operational, service, product, and process. In each part, we can use different innovation idea inside to enhance or improve their performance. Now, QMS base. So we are based on ISO 9001. It is a history and the new change. The major change in this new standard is a high-level structure. And this is the model Pan-Do Chain under the process-based QMS system. And the structure for ISO 9001 Pan-Do Chain in each course, 4 to 10, is very clear under this PDCA cycle. And when we review the CENTS 16555-1 innovation management system, they also use the PDCA structure, and they aim to help the organization increase their innovation capability. This is the model. I combine the model with their 2 diagrams in the standard. They also have the Pan-Do Chain planning. You have the idea, go through the idea funnel, have the result, assessment, and improvement. You need to have the leadership, enable factors, and innovation management technique. This is an innovation management process they call innovation funnel. From the idea, go through the idea management, development of project, protection and expectation, market introduction, and you have the new innovation ideas or results after assessment and improvement and go back. Close the cycle. So it is before the ISO standard 15602. I use the QMS and innovation management system 16555-1 joined together. It's like this one. During the operation, we use an innovation funnel and use a different standard cover the whole system. The innovation, quality innovation management system I propose. And then it is also trained about the innovation management system. In the beginning, the number is called ISO 15500. However, it changed the number, become a 156,000 series. And I'm the one of the observer in this ISO Technical Committee 279. It is the compare the old and new numbering system, and it is a schedule. It is already issued the standard in 2019. In 2020. Go through the history. The framework of the innovation management system before in the CD version is a Pan-Do Chain, involve all the cores. It is a very simple one. And then the second version, they use the concept of quality house to go through, but it's a little bit structured. After that, it is a final one. We use a Pan-Do Chain circle for operations, supporting, etc. And with the innovation process in here, and they have a leadership and content of organization. It's a more close together. It is interesting, the innovation process from idea, opportunity, identify opportunity, create concept, validate concept, development solution, deploy solution. And you can see this go forward and backward. It's similar like the design thinking concept, go forward and backward and find and trial the phototype, etc. And it is the cost comparison. In the red color is some difference, and core difference maybe in the operation side. Now, a Cuban Airspace innovation management system we propose combine ISO 9001 into 156,002. In this cycle, we use the QMS. In the innovation process, we also reference to ideal funnel. So it is what we call the QMS-based innovation management system. How to implement it? Because it is only have the framework, and they are trying to idea and concept creation and validation. So we propose use extension innovation method to fill this gap. Full staff training under diamond thinking. Diamond thinking is like this one. Use the extension innovation method. They have the 4 steps: modeling, extension, transformation, and selection. It's like this divergent thinking and convergent thinking, divergent thinking and convergent thinking. So we can get construct many new ideas and become a practicable solution. And we also propose 20 steps to implement this approach using the extension innovation method for project implement under the innovation management system. So we separate awareness, prepare, plan to check, and validation. Top management is a key, and also we need to form the innovation committee and have the extended promotion working group to promote how to use these tools for different staff in the organization. Extended is created by Professor Cuban, and in the last, before this, in the last ANQ, I have introduced this methodology. I'm taking a very quick briefing. I'm not go through in that. It is a theory of the extension theory, and the whole course I have attended level 1, 2, 3, almost all the basic training about extended. And if you are interested, you can go read Professor Yang Chun-Yin's her book named The Extension Innovation Method, CRC+. Innovation method is a 4-step we call MIX. It's a modeling, extension, transformation, and selection. I'm not go through detail, but if you are interested, you can see my paper. It is a basic element. Extension have a different combination for the divergence, and also a conjunction analysis, transformation, different transformation method, and selection step. And you use the dependent function to calculate the best idea, and it is a summary of extension innovation table, and through your object characteristic value criteria requested of disclosed through the extension analysis, conjunction analysis, extension transformation, you get many ideas and evaluate feasibility study and superiority, and then you find the suitable innovation solution. I'm also used the example. If we are modeling, you would like to book in a taxi on the street, and the driver, this driver, it is a fair element. If we change by phone, it become a 20% discount tax. If you use the apps, become an Uber. If you are ladies only in your customer, you change the sitting idea is the plane. If your customer, they are not know each other, we go together, they become a Uber Blue. Once you are not book ordering the taxi, but ordering bicycle, it become mobile or OVO. Therefore, extended can use in the different area, especially in the quality staff management system, and change your business model, become a new business. Okay, last conclusion is indication of QMS and ISO 15602 is a foundation of QMS-based innovation management system, and it aims to successfully implement an innovation management system by ISO 9000 certified company. The core is the innovation process, and how can we become a success? We propose to use extension innovation method under diamond thinking to achieve your innovation goals. At the end, I've used this photo as Professor Troyman said, let's together to establish standards. After the ANQ Congress, at the end of the day, we will have the gala dinner and performance by ourselves, and also by organizer have the traditional dancing, and we will sing and song together. At the end, Thailand has an interesting tradition. It's a dancing together from all guests. After that, we will go to the next day. We'll go to technical visit to this company, and then at the end we will go to the top of Bangkok. It's a rotating restaurant to see the view. It's a very happy trip, and extend sharing different quality idea with the professionals. And if you are interested, you can download my paper in the ResearchGate. I post all my conference paper in this platform. At the end, I would like to introduce the International Academy for Quality, academics in Hong Kong. We are very active to join different international conference or congress and sharing quality research and quality knowledge. Thank you for your attention. See you in next time. Bye bye.